this is Faiza from Pakistan.
This is me, Mohammad Sami from Pakistan too.
So I did my PhD from South Korea. Actually, I came here 3 years ago and now I'm living and enjoying my life in Seoul.
I came in Korea in 2023 as a GCAS scholar and I'm studying mechatronics engineering in Tech University of Korea.
So actually today we met again for the second time to see the colorful day we spent here. We'll be actually reviewing our video with all of you guys. Let's share the video with all of you and let's see what we did related to Korea. That will be really fascinating for all of you. So let's get into it.
So this is quite famous area in Seoul called Hongdae. You can see a lot of foreigners here enjoying. Mostly we can see students here. That day the area was a little bit extra crowded than usual because the very next day to it was Christmas.
When we went there, it was 24th of December. The very next day to it was Christmas. So there were a lot of people enjoying.
Seoul के heart में है, which is called Hongdae, which is very happening kind of place. You can see it's almost crowdy like this all the time. और अभी जो है Christmas का season भी चल रहा है. Maybe it's because of that tomorrow is Christmas and बहुत सारे students जो है ना यहाँ पे सुकून का.
Very interesting moment. Thought it would be more like Pakistani tea because it looked like Pakistani tea.
차예요? 차예요?
Black tea? It's a black tea. Sample दे रहे हैं और मुफ्ता गौर कर so I'm going to try. It's like Pakistani chai. Little sweeter version of Pakistani tea. I almost felt like that it's a Pakistani tea. A little bit sweeter version of Pakistani tea, but it was almost like similar.
It's not like, the kadak chai, the milky version of Pakistani tea.
Yeah. You can see the colorful vibes, the winter vibe. After doing a lot of search, we finally found some restaurant from where we could eat. पिछले 1 घंटे से हम इसी तलाश एक रेस्टोरेंट मिला है मैंने यहाँ पे. यहाँ से हमने ऑर्डर किया है बिरयानी जैसी. अभी हम आपको दिखाएंगे हमने क्या ऑर्डर किया.
Okay, so we have ordered something that is almost similar to Pakistani dish, popular dish called biryani. What is it called in Korean?
This thing fascinated me because it looked like Pakistani dish.
Yeah.
इसको chopsticks के साथ खाया जाता है. But being a Pakistani, I find it very difficult to use chopsticks because it's kind of Chinese fried rice, but not similar to biryani. But the taste is very nice.
I would also say it's more like kind of Chinese rice. We can't compare it with biryani. That's just like kind of Chinese rice. Yeah.
Pakistan, we have different kind of rice, but
It's like you can say some new test.
So like always, I was struggling to use chopsticks because in Pakistan we use spoons rather, but I'm trying to learn it. So finally, after a lot of struggles, I succeeded.
Korean rice are actually very sticky kind of rice. लेकिन जो पाकिस्तानी चावल होते हैं, they are very different from Korean rice. We're continuing the Korean ritual. We decided to have coffee after the meal. We didn't really need to search because in Korea you can find coffee spots here and there everywhere. In Pakistan, what we do, we drink tea after.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. It's kind of ritual to have tea after meal. We were talking about some festivals, right?
Yeah.
In Pakistan, we celebrate Eid. Before the Eid, the night is called Chandra. We went back to the memory of our country and we were discussing about traditional events celebrated in Korea. Festivals like Chuseok.
Solnal, similar to our Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha. They celebrated like with full enthusiasm.
Yeah.
So we also celebrate like this.
Yeah.
Because in Pakistan we say Assalamu alaikum and in Korea they say Annyeonghaseyo.
I was telling how Korean greet each other and if we combine both the things so it becomes really funny because we shake hands and Korean do like this.
Stalls लगे हुए हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. जहाँ स्टॉल्स लगे हुए हैं लोग शॉपिंग वगैरह कर रहे हैं.
So here we were talking about the religion. Here in South Korea, people follow different religions. Unlike Pakistan, like in Pakistan, the majority is of Muslims. And here you can see Buddhism, Christianity.
I'm like 50% of kind of are atheists.
Here we found a very aesthetic coffee shop. Yeah, he found one. In Korea, it's culture that a lot of students or even people who do job, they spend a lot of their time sitting in Korean cafes. What
Yeah.
they do is they order some coffee and they open their
And just,
laptop.
sit with for all
Yeah,
day, whole
they can
night.
spend all day until the
night.
cafe gets
And, you
closed.
know-
Cafe was little cute, a little far from the main area. This could also be the reason. I ordered Americano
And I
he
ordered
ordered
peach hot.
Like this thing, whenever we said in restaurant that we don't eat pork, meat or chicken, they don't try to trick us. They just say like straight. If they have like meat in food, they say we have meat, so you can't eat here. Very honest, because they are respecting our religion, our beliefs. Like my coordinators, my professor, they are like they don't go in like Korean restaurant or in the restaurant where I can't eat. They respect our beliefs too much.
we can find many similarities but in a different way. And also I was sharing my experience that whether I plan to live in Korea in future or no. I like Korea, I like the vibe of Korea, and the Korean culture is really fascinating.
So far, my life is going so good in Korea. I'm just in my 20s.
Do you have Korean friends?
I have multiple
Yes.
Korean friends,
Oh,
not just
really
just
nice.
some of them, multiple. Even I've made like good relations with my coordinators, my professors. So
Nice.
every time they go out, like they invite me to go out with them and discuss. After coming here in Korea, I
Yeah.
also met some professional contacts, which is like
Really helpful. I also had similar kind of experiences.
when we go out with our professor or coordinator. In my experience, I never went to Korean restaurant because they know like I eat only halal food.
Yeah,
So
same in
so
my
that's why
case
they cared so much, and they just go in a restaurant where I can eat.
I was asking Sami, what would you suggest if somebody who is watching the video and wants to come to Korea? So he said all the serious things that you did
Yeah.
this. I was just advising the girls, you should come here. You can have really cute and aesthetic spots to click your Instagram selfie. So there are many cute things in Korea. So if you want to come here, any girl who is watching, so please do come. Have you ever been to other cities of Korea?
Yeah, especially last 6 months, I've visited a lot of cities: Jinju, Puyo, Sangju, like different provinces near Busan, near Gimhae, south part. Last year I was like in my language year, so I was just like focusing on my different things, not just language. I explored Korea a lot, and I found a lot of like hidden sports. It's not famous kind of places, but it's so beautiful.
You like discovering new
Yeah.
places. So far, I have been to Jeju and Seoul, Daejeon, only these three cities. But now I'm planning to expand and have a little bit more experience.
For you, I would suggest you should go once Jinju. Yeah, Jinju is
okay.
really good, and the vibe is totally different. The vibe of Jinju is totally different. It is like a very kind of calm city. Seoul, it's like too
Crowdy.
crowd. You are kind of
Peaceful
person,
nature
or
lover.
nature lover.
Nice.
You should visit Jinju once when you're in Korea.
It seemed like Jeju because Jeju is also like
Oh,
this.
really?
Yeah,
Yeah, I've
something-
never been to Jeju.
Jeju is kind of hilly area. But something really interesting. Korean eat kimchi, and we have
Achar with every food,
Yeah.
definitely. Korea also,
Yeah.
like the elders of
Yeah.
some home,
Yeah.
they made kimchi, they stored in a jar for 3 to 4 months. And same in Pakistan, elder female of home,
Yeah.
they make achar and store for like 3 or 4 months.
We can find many similarities but in a different way. Overall, it has been a really nice experience being in Korea as a
Yeah.
foreigner. That was all. Bye
And
bye.
bye.
Bye bye. How do we say bye bye in Korean?
안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.